Hey guys, my name is Josh Gaskell, and I've been a educator in North Carolina for the past 10 years. For the first 6 of those years, I was a high school social studies teacher at Pamlico County High School, which is home. And I currently serve as the district beginning teacher coordinator for Pamlico County Schools, in addition to a few other hats, AIG coordinator, driver's ed coordinator, and sometimes I double as assistant principal here at our one elementary school. So I wear a lot of different hats in a small district. Those of you that teach and work in small districts, you understand the struggle. Um, I was the Southeast Regional Teacher of the Year in 2015. I'd have to say that the best strategy as an educator is building those positive relationships with the students that you serve. That's always the best approach for success. As far as me, I'm a true family man. I've been married for 7 years to the love of my life, Meredith. We have a little boy who's almost 5, Graham, and we're currently in the process of adopting a sweet baby girl, Grace, who will officially be ours in April. So, very blessed. I look forward to learning a lot from this class and working with you all, and I wish everyone the best.